Hey there. I'd like to share the tools I take out on tour with me to fix any problem that may come up. So I take 3 different Allen wrenches with me. Take a large one, a medium one, and a small one. I'm not too sure what size they are exactly. But basically these will fit any of the bolts on my bike. And then around the big one I wrap some electrical tape just in case I need electrical tape for anything. I also like to take with me a thing of zip ties. Sometimes the zip ties on the bike break or you need to fix a strap. They just come in handy for different things. This here is a cover for my CO2. Basically, when you're injecting CO2 into the tire, it gets real cold and you want this to protect your hand. I also take with me a small wrench that fits the back rack, just in case anything comes loose on that. This I normally don't carry unless I'm on tour. Also take a valve core tool with me, just in case I end up having to buy any more fluid to inject it in. And then in case my tubeless fails, which I don't think it will, I have 24 gram CO2 and I have a tube filled with slime. These should be able to reset the bead, and just in case they're not able to, I'll just be able to throw a tube in and get along. On top of that, I have these, which are stored in the end of my handlebars. This one here is a tire tool. It has this little clean out tool, and it also has the tool to inject tire plug into it. I was able to manage to actually shove eight of the tire plugs into there, 4 of the larger ones and 4 of the smaller ones. And then on the other side of the handlebar, I have a chain tool. This is just in case ever out on the trail I break my chain or it ends up getting stuck. I don't know, I've never actually had to use the chain tool, luckily. Knock on wood. But yeah, I definitely like these. They're a little pricier than the normal tool, but from what I read, this is definitely a good chain tool, and same with the tire tool. They're both very, very good tools. They should hopefully last a lifetime, and they stash away into the handlebars. They fit almost any mountain bike. They can actually come with 2 different size caps too, to accommodate whatever size bar you may have, and also 2 rubber pieces. The way it holds in there is as you tighten it, this compresses and the rubber piece gets wider and jams it into the bar. And so far I haven't had any problems with them. They stay in really, really secure. So just in case the tube, for some reason, the slime and everything on that ends up failing, and then carry a patch kit with me. There's also inside here a spoke tool. I need to adjust my spokes for some reason if it's out of true, and I need to do a quick repair on trail. And then I have a Presto to Strata adapter. Basically, you never know what kind of pump you're going to run across. It's nice to have an adapter to be able to fit any kind of pump. I only need 1 tire lever to basically get my tire off and on. That'd be, once again, if I had to put the tube in, I would need that, or had to patch it. And then I carry 1 screwdriver with me. This is basically to adjust the reflectors. Use a screwdriver, and then also the back derailleur. If for some reason if that got out of adjustment, I could use a screwdriver to get everything lined back up in. But yeah, that's everything I carry with me, or at least everything I am going to carry with me on to my next tour. Hopefully this should be able to fix up any kind of problems that come up here in the Arizona dirt trails. We have some monstrous thorns. Just pulled a big old Palo Verde thorn out of my tubeless. Did seal it up. Ended up having to put some of the fluid back in. Lost probably about a ½ ounce there, but whatever. That's just one thing about the desert. We have a lot of nails on this side of the road. Lots of nails. It's weird. And then we also have monstrous thorns. So yeah, this should be able to fix up any problem that comes up. Anyways, have a good day. And a root toot toot, ow, and a root tooty tooty too. Additional to that, additional. Oh, I gotta edit this shit.